Welcome to this course on data analysis using Excel. My name is Elsie and I am a data analyst. Data analysis involves the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming and modeling data with the purpose of discovering useful information, informing conclusions that will support data-driven decision making. It is essential that every organization has a competent data analyst if they must optimize their business performance. Over the years, I have tutored several students on data analytics. Through my teachings, my clients have been able to take up new job roles, and I'll be much more excited if you become one of them. In this course, you will learn what data analysis is all about. You will understand Excel spreadsheet features with respect to analysis. You understand how to clean a raw data. You understand how to use Excel formulas, filters, and tables to analyze data. You understand how to create a dashboard and the use of dashboards in Excel. You understand how to create and use slicers and see how they work. You will learn the use of conditional formatting. You will see how to deduce useful information from your analysis that will support data-driven decision making. It is important to note that you will just be needing a laptop, data, and your willingness to learn to become that data analyst that organizations will be looking for. So what are you waiting for? Click on this link now to get started, and I will see you in class.